Apple officially announced the iPhone 17e as the new entry-level model in the iPhone 17 lineup. It features significant internal upgrades over its predecessor, available in black, white, and a new soft pink. The phone continues to sport a 6.1-inch OLED screen, 60Hz refresh rate, and a notch for the Face ID system and selfie camera. However, the screen is now protected by a newer ceramic Shield 2 glass, powered by the A19 chip 3nm, featuring a 6-core CPU and a 4-core GPU, which is slightly bin compared to the standard iPhone 17's 5-core GPU. The iPhone 17e gets a single 48MP camera, a 12MP camera up front. The iPhone 17e now also gets MagSafe, which enables compatibility with a range of accessories. It supports 15W wireless and faster wired charging as well. Apple's new iPhone 17e starts at $599 for the 256GB model. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.